From time to time, the English language can be complicated and tricky. Base, bass, bear, bear. Now add a thick layer of niche industrial terms and things get even more confusing. In woodworking and carpentry, you'll hear professionals use the terms inside and outside corners. Why? Everyone knows what an inside corner is and what an outside corner is. Actually, it's more complicated than that. It's important to know the difference between these two terms because when you're building something and adding trim to it, you need to know what to do with the saw to get good results. The complicated ambiguity of the terms inside and outside corners can be simplified by thinking about one simple object, this picture frame. Inside corners are here, and outside corners are here. Now, how does this translate to real-world structures and how to add trim or molding to them? Think of this picture frame as the object you're going to add trim to. If the picture frame fits into the corner like this, you're dealing with an inside corner. If the picture frame doesn't fit like that, you're dealing with an outside corner. When you decide to start making stuff, it's important to know the difference. Molding isn't cheap. The last thing you want to do is start by winging it at the saw with your expensive molding. You only need to remember 3 simple rules for successful trim cutting. Always imagine your fence is the structure you're applying trim to. Think back, are you making trim for an inside corner or making trim for an outside corner? Number 2, to make an inside corner, place the molding you want to use against your fence, just like the wall or piece you're applying it to, and turn your miter saw towards the piece you're cutting. Rule number 3, to make an outside corner, place the molding against your fence and turn the saw in the opposite direction, away from the piece you're cutting. A simple way to remember this, if they're the same, you're laying. You stay inside, all by yourself. If they're different, you think outside of the box.